Hi Capricorn, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 13th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is the World card, the Ten of Wands, and the Five of Cups. Now person B here, the first card for them is Six of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Emperor card. The bottom of the deck I have Nine of Swords, which means that there could be something which is causing a lot of stress and anxiety to you or your person, and because of this you may also be having this stress which is causing you sleepless nights as well. Now from the first set of cards I see you have the World card, which means that you need to close an old chapter in order to begin this new chapter. The second card for you is Ten of Wands, which means that you feel the burden of this relationship. You feel that this has become kind of a burden. It's too much of a heavy load on your back, and you find that you're the only one putting in that effort. There's nothing that this person, your partner, is not putting in the equal amount of effort that you are willing to invest in this relationship. Now the third card that I see here is Five of Cups. It means that you're heartbroken, you're hurt, you feel that this relationship is not going to work out, everything is lost. But that's not the case, because you still have the possibility to revive and rekindle this relationship, provided both of you sit down and talk and figure out where is the problem and if there is a solution that can be taken up, okay, which will help you guys to just ensure that these misunderstandings can be avoided. Now the person B here, your partner, the first card for them is Six of Cups. This means that whenever this person is alone, they go ahead and think about the sweet memories that both of you had, and they're also trying to think if there is a possibility to revive the relationship. The second card is Queen of Pentacles, which means that this person is really doing well for themselves. It also shows that they're enjoying the luxuries of life. The third card is the Emperor card, which shows that they want to lead the situation. The Emperor energy is Aries energy, which is the first zodiac sign, and with that they want to start off something. So with that energy, this person also wants to go ahead and start and lead that particular relationship. Now with this, we'll also quickly see what is the intention of this person for you this week. So the first card I see is Four of Cups, Page of Wands, and Knight of Swords. Now Four of Cups is the energy where this person will show as if they're very bored out of the entire situation. If you offer them a cup of love, they will not go ahead and take it. With Page of Wands, that's an immature energy, and wands denote more about passion, physical attraction, sex. The third card is Knight of Swords. It shows that they want to rush in and talk about something, but they'll not wait. So there's no stability that you'll see there. This person will rush in, maybe deliver a message and then walk away. Now with this, let's see what is the message we have from Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see for you is you're very close to achieving your goal. Now that's a very positive sign. It means that whatever is happening, you just need to continue, okay, because you're very close to the finish line. Now with this, we'll also quickly see what is the message from archangels and if there's a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Ruby. The crystal message is, do you need to add a little pizzazz to your life? Have you been feeling tired lately? It is time to take steps to improve your endurance and overall health. Get your energy centers recharged and renew your passion for living a vibrant life. Now that's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.